From the previous lesson, you already know how to insert, configure, format and remove page numbers in Microsoft Word documents. Now, in this lesson, let us understand how to number different sections with different page number formats in Word documents. You will find this kind of numbering useful when you are writing a thesis, dissertation, book, etc. Use this channel to upskill your expertise in Microsoft Excel, Word or PowerPoint. Do subscribe if not done already. Here we have a Word document that is part of a book. It contains 3 chapters of inner content and a couple of introductory pages like the title of the book, acknowledgement, preface, etc. If you insert page numbers at this point of time, you will see that the page numbers are inserted into every page of the document, including the title page. But we need to number the pages in such a way that there is no page number on the title pages, numbering with lowercase Roman numerals for the other introductory pages, and regular Arabic numbering for the chapters. Let's see how to do that, but before that, let us undo the page numbering. As you see, the entire document is made up of one section but with several page breaks. But how do you see the page breaks? Toggle Show or Hide under the Paragraph menu group on the Home tab and you can see the page breaks in the document. You can see a page break here, a page break here, a page break here and so on. Let me toggle this back. To have different formatting for different sections, you need to have the document divided into different sections. We can do that by inserting section breaks. Let us insert 2 section breaks, one immediately after the second title page here and the other one before the beginning of the first chapter here. To insert the section break, keep the cursor where you want the break, go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks and click any of the options under section breaks. If you click on Next page, under section break, Word inserts a section break and starts the new section on the next page. It is possible that while inserting a section break, you can start the section on an even page or on an odd page. You can also start the new section on the same page by clicking on Continuous. Let us use this option as we do not want to have any blank pages in between sections. Likewise, let us insert the other page break just before the starting of the first chapter here. Now, if you double click on the header area, you will see different sections. Section 1 containing the title page and the second title page. Section 2 with the acknowledgement page and the preface page, and then section 3 containing the chapters 1 and 2. We do not need to enter any page number for the first section, so let us leave the section 1 as such. Now, as you see, the section 2 header is connected to the previous section with the link to previous enabled under navigation menu group on the header and footer tab. And you will also see same as previous to the right of the header at the top of the page. Since we need a numbering style specific to this section alone, keep the cursor on the header, click on link to previous under navigation menu group on the header and footer tab to delink section 2 header from the previous section header. As soon as you click on this, you will see that the same as previous disappearing in the header section at the top of the page. Let us do this for the footer as well. Similarly, we need to delink the header and footer of the section 3 from the previous section. So let us repeat that for footer as well. With this, we are now ready to enter the page numbers for the different sections. Let us insert the page numbers for the section 2 at the bottom of the document. Go to the first page of the section 2. Go to the header and footer menu group. Click on page number. Then click on bottom of page and then select the number style that you want. As you can see, the pages in the section 2 are now numbered at the bottom of the page. However, as we need the page numbers in lowercase Roman numerals, while you are on the footer area, click on Format Page Numbers, under page number, then click on the desired number format and then click on Start at. Ensure that it starts at page 1. Click OK. If you see, the section 2 is now numbered with the lowercase Roman numerals. Let us insert a different page numbering style for section 3 and let us do that at the top of the page. While you are on the header area, click on page number and then click on top of page and then select the appropriate page number style that you want. As you can notice, the pages are now numbered with Arabic numerals for section 3. However, as you can see, the first page in the section 3 has been numbered as 4. Ideally, this should start at 1. So go to the page number, click on Format Page Numbers and then under page numbering, click on Start at and then enter 0 there in the box. Click OK. If you scroll down and then see, section 3 is now numbered with the regular Arabic numerals starting with page number 1. So we have a document now with the first section containing no page number because those are all the title pages, and the next section containing acknowledgement and preface. We have the page number in lowercase Roman numerals, and the section 3 where we have the inner matter like chapter 1 and chapter 2, we have the page number in Arabic numerals starting with page number 1 for the first page in the chapter 1. This is all about inserting page numbers when you have a requirement to vary the page number format in different sections. See you in another lesson. Till then.